Hey guys, this is Deepu. Welcome to Tech Lab. Today I am going to show you guys how you can install Windows on your PC. In the last video, we learned how we can create an USB installer within a few minutes. Today I am going to install Windows on this PC to show you guys how you can do it. So let's start after the intro. First, insert the USB Windows installer that you have created into your computer. Then, turn on your computer. Go into the boot menu. My Asus motherboard boot menu comes when I press F8. Select your USB drive from the boot menu. From this list, select the first one, Windows Vista 7 and above setup. Now select Windows 10 setup x64 from the list. It's loading. After the loading is done, select your language from the language list. I am selecting English, then click Next. Click Install Now. Now I am going to select Windows 10 Pro from the list. Select Next. Now I accept and Next. Now select New and Apply. Ensure all the Windows features work correctly. Windows might create additional partition for system files. Press OK and click Next. Now the installation has started. Windows 10 has automatic installation process. Unlike Windows XP or Vista, you had to select and modify the installation. Now you just have to start the installer and wait for it to finish. Let's come back a few minutes later. Windows on your computer will restart several times during installation. So don't worry about that. It's part of the process. Our installation is complete. So that was the process how you install Windows on your desktop or laptop. Don't forget to like if you like this video. Also check out our other videos. Leave a comment down below and also subscribe the channel. See you in the next one.